acceleration of a moving ship or aircraft around a vertical axis. That pretty much means when the drone is flying, it can turn like that. The vertical axis, the imaginary line that runs vertically up and down through an aircraft's center of gravity, about which the plane yaws. So center of gravity would be this right there. I'm going to roll up and down movement of the propellers and the aircraft. So up, down, side to side. And then pitch. The pitch means of the drone's tilt upwards or downwards based on the orientation and the location of its nose, forwards and backwards. Now I will demonstrate the yaw of the drone. Turning around in a circle. Now I will demonstrate the roll of the drone. The roll would be from side to side and up and down. Now I will demonstrate the pitch. Forwards and backwards. This is a special drone. Unlike other drones which have a controller, this one uses completely motion sensors. One on the top to make it go down, one on the bottom to make it go up, and 4 on the sides for each direction. And these guys are definitely unpredictable, as you probably would have seen.